fellow Africans, and the great leaders gathered here. Here then, the poet speaks to the people. The Organization of African Unity, 50 years and counting. A rhetorical eulogy. Blessed Mother Africa, behold the bold, bright dawn of serious reflection and decision has arrived. Coming from across the winding, stormy years, it is the serving breath of a half-century, the trying history of OAU existence, the teeming trials of costly liberty and hard-won victory against colonial terror, of human folly, failure, and fears binding, times of prosperity exceeding, but counted by poverty grinding, the African child reeling in the salt of bitter tears, our scarred continent left bleeding. Yes, glorious Mother, morning has come aglow, flaming as it had in the beginning of creation, arrayed in renewed splendor and beauty, celebrating 50 challenging years and counting. The zeal to work, to earn, to have dignity still mounting. Tides of a new consciousness abounding. A people inspired, emerging and routing. The bad history flouting. The ardent, illustrious mission of African unity. Our great continent rising above its pain. Her people reclaiming their dignity again. Sons and daughters of Africa, chosen leaders of our beloved soil, hearken to our cries, our supplications, for verily we too dream of a place and a time when a deep healing peace will descend to muffle the raging, ravaging drums of war. The greed, the corruption, the usurpation, the pestilence of civil strife, the gore, the disease, the death, the disruption of one cruel African to another, the orphan child, the savaged mother. Oh, you cradle of all humankind, behold, we dream, we want, we wait, we yearn for a surging, tumultuous rush and gush of caring compassion to come and bring that cleansing, healing moment of one African to another, of millions of Africans to others, working together, reaching deep, deep into the troubled womb of our beauteous but battered continent, and the precious women of our land, though plundered by the uncaring rogue, now are loved, valued, cherished, honored, protected, and our leaders lifting their people as they rise and rise and rise and rise. Ah, beautiful, beautiful Mother Africa. Let that healing, feeling silence come burning spirit of our scorched and searing cities in foreign quest of regime change. Come, come and halt the crass quibbling of ethnic tribal supremacy, those shallow shows of mediocrity. Come, come with showers of genuine love, to save, to retrieve, to revive the African humanity, the African soul, the deep, yearning African heart, for ensuing generations of children to come. Ensuing generations of children to come. Oh, Mother Divine, do not wither or decline, for we dream, we see, we need, we pray for that enduring healing peace to come. Come and reign upon the years ahead. Africa's leaders aflame. Africa's leaders aflame with the zest of human service and the rectitude of morality, but cooled in the cleansing streams of caring love, compassion, and empathy of one African to another African, of all Africans to all of humanity, lifting one another, lifting others as we rise. Come with showers of genuine love. Come to save, to retrieve, to revive the African humanity, the African soul, the deep, yearning African heart for ensuing generations to come, to come, to come. Africa's leaders aflame with the zest of human service and the rectitude of morality, but cooled in the cleansing streams of caring love, compassion, empathy, one African to another African, of all Africans to all of humanity, lifting one another, lifting one another as they rise.